In this video, I'm just going to start the program Skype and just show you a few features about Skype. Now, Skype has changed over the past year or so, and Microsoft now owns Skype. So some of you folks may be using Skype for Business, which is actually the replacement for the old Link program that Skype used for their web conferencing. So as you can see, I've already downloaded Skype on my system, and here's the shortcut to Skype. Also, one of the things that you will have on your taskbar is a little sign-in Skype icon as well. So either one you can go ahead and click on to sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and launch Skype, and then go ahead and do my sign-in. And you can also use your Microsoft sign-in as well, what you use to sign in for your OneDrive account. Be careful about pressing the Tab key or hitting Enter to move to the next text box. What I found with some of Microsoft's products is that it actually will try to start the program, and then it takes to another dialog box to go ahead and enter your password. So when you come to Skype, you'll see your login up here in the upper left-hand corner. You'll see your menu, and then you should see your online profile image if you have one. And you can see where I can also change my status. Right now I've got a green check mark. If I want to change that, I can just click on it and indicate that I'm away. So if I still want to keep the program running, but just to let people know if they're wanting to contact me, just to let them know I'm away for a little bit. I can also be invisible as well, which means I can stay online in Skype, but nobody can see that I am online. That way they don't try to contact me all the time. So I'm going to go ahead and just choose online. Now you have Home, where you can set up your setup dates for Skyping from home. You can do phone calls from here for mobile, landlines, and then you can also create new conversations as well. Now down below you have contacts and recent. So contacts, if you choose all, that's coming from what you've created in contacts for Skype, online, and Messenger. So we'll just leave it. If we change it to Skype, then it's just our Skype feature that we're using. You can also do a test to test your system. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Echo Sound Test, and then at this point you can go ahead and test the system and see how it's working. You're going to get all these advertisements. We can thank Microsoft for that. So everything is good to go. And again, this is just, you can change if you want to. This individual is somebody that I've actually worked with. He works at North Central University in Minneapolis. And if I wanted to add a contact, what I would do is go ahead and, go up to Contacts, add contacts, and I can search the Skype directory. So if you know somebody that may be out there, then you can go ahead and search the Skype directory. You can see right there it's waiting for me to search. So I'll go ahead and key in. Let me key in somebody that I work with. Now, they may not be there. You might get several. So this is where it does help to know what the person's username may be as well. Then you would just go ahead and select it. If you want to add it to contacts, you would click Add to Contacts and then type them a message and click Send. Now, I'm not going to send this one, but just so you know that they have to accept it before you can actually start Skyping with them. So let me go ahead and I'll just change my my status to away at this point. So you can see this person is in your contact list. I'm going to leave it alone right now. I'm not going to go ahead and add them. Let's say that I do want to Skype somebody. I'm going to go ahead and click New Conversation. Then I can go ahead and search for the individual. Now it's not going to show up because they're not in my list, obviously, but once they show up, then I can go ahead and start working with them at that point. So you really do need to build your contact list first. If I wanted to make a call, I can go ahead and do a call, and I can go ahead and key in the number at that point. Go back to Home. And again, you can also use this if you have other social media sites, if you want to find Facebook friends and so on. If you want to tell people what you're up to, that's fine. And again, we get these annoying little advertisements. So right now my contacts have not been very active because I haven't been on Skype for some time, but Anyway, once this person accepts my invitation, since I've done this in this new Skype, then I can go ahead and click on them and start a Skype session with them. Once you do get your contact list developed, you can double click on them. Then at this point on the right hand side is where you would click to do a video call. Now you can see my image is there, and it obviously went away because the call failed, as he's not really part of my list yet. So once you do want to do a video call with somebody, you'll select them from your list, and you'll click on video call at that point in time. If you go up to the menu at the top, you have other features, conversation menu. You can send an instant message, or what we call IM, to somebody, a video message as well, which is just going to send the video of what you're saying to them. You can also block people. You can use this just like the Hangout and the other web video conferences to make phone calls. And obviously you can check and view your contacts as well. So have fun exploring Skype. Skype is very popular. Again, just keep in mind that it was purchased by Microsoft, so I think they're still working with some things, or working on some things with Skype as well. So go ahead and explore it. You've got a lot of emoticons and things down the lower right-hand corner that you can add as well. And if you ever want to Skype with me, just give me a call, and also you just go ahead and send me a request, and I will add you to my link. Have fun with it.